Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna quickly show you how to add a background on any video. First of all, open the Capcut, go to new project, then you first add the background. The background could be a video or a photo. So I'm gonna take a photo. Quickly choose this one I downloaded from Google. Then you go to overlay. Then you can now add a video. Let's say I take this very video here. Then this background, you can duplicate this background considering the length of the video. You come here and say duplicate. You can duplicate the background as many as you can. If the background, why I am duplicating this background? Because the background is an image. If the background is a video background to a certain length, you don't need to duplicate it considering the length of the video. So this is an image, that's why I have to duplicate it to reach to the length of my video here. All right, so let's go into the background removal. You click on the video you imported, which is this very one here. Then you drag it to fit with the background. You drag it, make sure that it fits with the background. Here it is. Then after that, you click on the video also. Make sure that you are on the video, not the image, not the background. Then you come here, you slide it a bit. You will see where to remove the background, where it says remove BG. This means remove background. You click right here. It has auto removal, custom removal. So I choose auto removal. Applying auto removal. You can restore, you can use stroke. So click OK. Now look at it. You see? You can use this for a TV presentation. You can use this for anything you want. If you're running a social media account, if you're a content creator, anything you want, you can do this. It's very easy and simple. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.